Hi everyone, it's Coco's channel, and today I want to cook one of the dishes from Pierre White. Now, I highly respect this man, Pierre White, because first of all, he was the first chef at the age of 32 who got 3 Michelin stars in Great Britain. Second of all, he was the teacher of Gordon Ramsay, the famous Gordon Ramsay. Well, Pierre White was his teacher. And third of all, he would use Knorr stock pots basically everywhere. Later in his career, when he got fed up with the Michelin star dishes, he started making simpler dishes for everyone, and he would use Knorr stock pots basically in every dish. Now, today I got some lamb chops. Now this is what I got. These are the lamb chops. And this is going to be very easy and very fast recipe. It will not take more than 5 minutes, I think. We just need a bit of preparation time. And for this recipe, we will need some lamb chops, Dijon mustard, a bit of chives, 2 Knorr stock pots, and a bit of olive oil, and that's it basically. So let's start. First thing first, let's open 2 stock pots. Olive oil in. Now he would use his hands to mix it. So let's do the same. Now we have a kind of paste. So let's put the paste on the meat. And the good thing about it is that it sticks to the meat, so it's not gonna fall off. This is great. Let's wash up. Now let's go for chives. Let's go for chives. Now, very important about chives is that you can only cut it once. So basically you cut it like this. So you cut it once, and you should not cut it again like this. Why? Because it will come mushy mushy. We're starting with a cold pan, fat side down. Voilà. Time to turn. Take a Dijon mustard. Dijon is a mild mustard. You can put as much as you want. We'll take one. Another one. And this is what we're having in the end. Let's try one. Fuck is good. If you want to see the original recipe of that, here's the link to the original recipe. And if you want to see me cooking more lamb chops, here is another recipe, one of my first recipes. It was also lamb chops, and it was amazing. So, and thank you very much for watching me. Hit the like button if you like this video, hit the dislike button if you didn't like this video, and show more recipes later. Thank you. Bye.